Have you ever looked at a car, a building, or machine, and appliances in the kitchen? How do they design something so perfect? When I first heard about CAD or computer-aided design, I asked myself the same question. At the first, I felt overwhelmed. But let me tell you, it's not as hard as it seems. Hi, I am MG, and welcome to MG. Today, I am sharing my journey with CAD, how I started, the challenges I faced, and how I overcame them. I will also show you how to create your first design step by step. By the end of this video, you will see that learning CAD is not just possible, it is so exciting. Let's jump in. CAD, or computer-aided design, is a software that helps designers create detailed 2D and 3D models on a computer. Instead of drawing by hand, you can create precise digital designs, simulate real-world conditions, and modify your work easily. For example, if you are designing a machine, CAD lets you test how it works before building it. Or if you are an architect, CAD helps you create accurate floor plans and visualize the building in 3D. CAD has been around for over 6 years. It started in 1963 when Ivan invented SketchPad, the first program that allowed designers to draw on a screen. At that time, it was revolutionary because most computers were only used for calculations. In the 1970s, industries like aerospace and automotive began using CAD. Boeing, for example, using CAD to design airplanes with unmatched precision. Then, in 1980s, AutoCAD made CAD accessible on personal computers. Since then, CAD has only gotten better, with advanced features like 3D modeling and simulations. CAD is important because it makes design faster, easier, and more accurate. There are different types of CAD applications, and each one is used for a specific purpose. And they are 2D, 3D, simulation CAD. Understanding these types will help you choosing the right CAD software and tools for your needs. When I started learning CAD, I had no idea what I was doing. I remember opening AutoCAD for first time, and all I could think was, what are all these buttons? I wanted to design something cool, but I don't even know how to draw a straight line. My first project was supposed to be a simple cube. I spent hours trying to figure out how to execute the shape. And when I finally did it, it was not even the right size. But you know that? That's okay. Making a mistake is part of the process. The key is practice. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel. I went from struggling with a cube to design complex 3D models. It's all about starting small and building your skills over time. Challenges I faced and how I overcame them. One of the biggest challenges I faced was understanding how to make my design come to life. For example, I would look at a project and think, how do I start? The answer, break it down into smaller steps. I also struggle with knowing which tools I use. There are so many options in CAD software. It can feel like learning new language. I'm not joking. But what helped me was watching tutorials online and practicing simple tasks like drawing lines, circles, and rectangles. Over time, I got better. And there is something important. Don't compare your progress to others. I used to look at advanced designs and I feel like frustrated because I was not there yet. But I learned that everyone starts as a beginner and focus on your own journey. So, why practice is secret to success? If I could give you one piece of advice, it would be this. Practice, practice, practice. CAD is like any other skill. The more you do it, the better you will get. When I started, I set aside 1 hour or 30 minutes every day to practice. Some days, I only managed to create simple shapes. Other days, I made progress on more complex projects. But every session helped me learn something new. Think of it, learning to ride a bike. At first you wobble and fall, but soon you ride it smoothly. With your CAD, the more you practice, the faster then you will improve. My first successful project. I will never forget my first real project. It was a small mechanical part of a class's assignment. At first, it looked like a puzzle, and I was not sure where to begin. So I broke into the smaller parts. First, I designed the base, and then I added the holes and other details. When I finished it, I felt so proud. It was not perfect, but it's working. The project taught me 2 important lessons. Start simple, stay patient. Every design, no matter how small, is a step forward. Tips for beginners. Here are 5 tips that helped me when I started learning CAD. Number 1, start small. Don't try to design something big on your first day. Start with a simple shapes like cubes or cylinder. Master the basic will make everything else easier. Number 2, watch tutorials. YouTube is full of free lessons for software like AutoCAD, and find one that matches your skill level and follow along step by step. Number 3, use shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts will save you a lot of time. For example, pressing L for the line tool or C for circle tool can speed up things. Number 4, asking for help. There are online forums and CAD groups where beginners and experts share advice. Don't be afraid asking questions. You are not alone. Number 5, practice every day. Even 20 minutes a day can make a big difference. The more you practice, the faster you will improve. And there is a little secret for you. Soon, I will be sharing more professional CAD tutorials right here on this channel. So keep practicing, stay consistent, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. When I started learning CAD, I have no idea what I was doing, but with the practice and patience, I have come a long way, and you can too. CAD is not just a tool, it's a way to bring your idea to life. Think of CAD as a skill that grows with you. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel. And remember, it's not just about learning the software, it's about thinking, creativity, and solving problems. If you are excited to learn more about CAD, make sure to subscribe to our channel because I will be sharing more content to help you on your journey. Let me know in the comment what is the first thing you would like to design with CAD. I would love to hear your ideas. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.